Why do people say, Happy Halloween? Shouldn't it be horror-filled Halloween or spooky Halloween? It fits the purpose of the day. Why, happy? By the way, happy Halloween everybody.
Because people say happy everything now. It is like a drone sentence that gets repeated by the non-thinking masses. Happy Monday. Happy Thursday. Happy Columbus Day, I heard this a couple weeks ago. Happy Roll Back the Clock weekend. This might be the masses or it could be Hallmark. If you put the word happy in front of any phrase, then they can sell millions of cards for each happy phrase. Happy answer.
Happy is just the generic modifier for holidays. I can think only of Christmas as an exception to the rule, Merry Christmas.
The wish for a happy Halloween is a wish for the person to enjoy the day, regardless of how little or how much spookiness they wish for on that day. Likewise, Happy Christmas is a common expression in the UK, wishing for an enjoyable Christmas. Though it is true that people attempt to wish one another a spooky Halloween, this simply hasn't caught on in popularity, and horrible Halloween would be similar to telling someone to have a rotten day. The connotation of you wishing them a bad day is just too overpowering to make it work. The alliteration of Happy Halloween also likely helps keep it in its place as a popular greeting and well-wishing for the day.